Welcome back, daring entrepreneurs. I'm Bolt Jackson, and this is Business Basics 101. In our last episode, we dove into target market research and competitor analysis. Today, we're tackling an essential step before you charge full speed ahead with your business idea: validation. Think of it as making sure you are not building a rocket with faulty parts, because nobody wants a failed launch. Validating your business idea is like testing a new invention in the lab before releasing it to the public. You want to make sure it works, iron out any kinks, and get feedback from potential customers. This episode will focus on two powerful validation methods: interviews and surveys. To start with, customer interviews are like digging for gold in the minds of your target customers. They're one-on-one conversations where you can gather in-depth information about their needs, preferences, and problems. A. Prepare. Make a list of potential interviewees. Write down the questions you want to ask and schedule the interviews. B. Conduct. Ask open-ended questions, explore customer needs, and listen actively. Stay receptive to their feedback, even if it stings a bit. C. Analyze. After the interviews, sort through the valuable nuggets of information and look for patterns and insights that can shape your business idea. Next up, surveys. Surveys are like casting a wide net to catch as many fish as possible. The more responses you get, the better you'll understand your target market. A. Design. Create a survey with clear objectives and carefully crafted questions that uncover customer needs, problems, and preferences. B. Distribute. Cast your net wide by sharing your survey through email, social media, and online forums. C. Analyze. Once you've reeled in your data, analyze the results to spot trends, patterns, and areas of improvement for your business idea. With the raw material you collect from customer interviews and surveys, you can refine and polish your business idea like a precious gemstone. By validating your idea and embracing feedback, you'll lay a solid foundation for your entrepreneurial rocket to shoot for the stars. Before we wrap up, folks, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community of future business legends. By subscribing, you'll stay up to date with all the latest episodes of Business Basics 101, ensuring you have the knowledge and tools to conquer the entrepreneurial world. So go ahead, click that button, and let's continue this journey together.